Hey everybody, so today I am here with another lookbook. I am so on a lookbook kick right now. I'm so stoked. So today I'm going to be showing you a date night lookbook. So I have 5 outfits set aside that are for like dress up date nights. It doesn't have to be a date night, it could be a night out, whatever you want. These are more dressier outfits. I also have my makeup fully done. This is a date night look that I will be posting a tutorial for. I'm pretty sure the tutorial is going to go up first, so that will already be up and I'll have it linked down below. But if it's not up, it's coming, and this one's coming first, but who knows what I'm doing. So today, again, I'm just going to show you 5 night out lookbooks. These are like edgier looks. In my Boohoo haul, I talked about how I like dressing up, but sometimes when I get dolled up, I just feel a little too girly and out of my comfort zone. So with that in mind, I put together 5 outfits that are dressed up and girly, and you're gonna feel really cute and pretty, but you're also still gonna feel like your edgy self. You know what I mean? So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the outfits. So let's go. Alright everybody, so this is outfit numero uno. So I have got just a black tube top that I will be wearing in another outfit. I have some high-rise skinny jeans, just some black high-rise skinny jeans. I believe I got these from H&M, but you can get them from literally anywhere. And then I have a little cropped plaid blazer. I just think this is so cute and, I don't know, kind of business chic. I really like it. It gives it such an edgy twist. You can also pair this with a little black bodycon dress. This is a little bit more casual. I also have some kind of octagon hoops going and a little bit of a pant chain. So again, edgy little details, but overall, at least for me, this is a dressed up outfit. I am also wearing some studded booties. I believe these are from Harley Davidson. I don't know, I got them on sale at some weird shoe depot, but just some little studded Chelsea boots. Again, little edgy details that make this outfit unique, but still this is dressed up for me. And then I am sporting my Angela Roy, I believe this is the Hamilton shoulder bag. Holy crap, you guys. I have been wearing this bag. This is my go-to purse. My shit is actually in it. I have my Tums, my wallet, everything. I have been wearing this bag for the past 2 weeks. This was sent to me by Angela Roy, which I was so honored that they reached out to me because I see Wife Life talking about their purses all the time. They are spendy, but they are nice vegan leather purses, and I have been obsessed with it. Obsessed with it. It's a nice size, nice shape. So I just wanted to show you guys this bag because I really love it. So it has a shoulder strap. It has a little strap if you just want to grab it, buy that strap. And then the inside feels and looks like amazing suede, but it is vegan leather. And there's a decent amount of pockets in here too. So y'all know I have a purse obsession. So I really wanted to show you guys this purse. Thank you, Angela Roy. This is so freaking nice, and genuinely the quality is it is such a beautiful, beautiful bag. So if you're in the market for a nice bag, this one is up there. They have amazing colors too. So anyways, that's the purse that I'm wearing. But this is outfit numero uno, kind of casual, but again, the blazer just kind of dresses it up a little bit. We're showing a little bit at tummy, and yeah, this is the first outfit. I think it's super cute, super fun, and now let's move on to outfit numero duo. All right, outfit number 2. So I have just the same tube top on, and then I have this Midi leopard print skirt. This is from Boohoo. I just got this. It is so cute. And then I've just paired it with a little kind of leather jacket and some booties. I wish I had some black sandals because I think some black sandals would be really cute with this, but your girl doesn't own any sandals. I live in the Pacific Northwest. We don't need sandals. It's raining year round. Anyways, I think this is so much fun. I've also paired it with a gold watch just to add a little bit of something. Okay, now the outfit is completed. I paired it with a gold watch. This is by the brand Nixon. It's called the Kensington. I love it. It's a nice, just not too flashy, but nice watch. And then some gold hoops to kind of add some gold accents to accent the leopard print. I think this is, again, super fun, super kind of girly, but still edgy, especially if you had big bouncy curls or something, or you could do a really tight ponytail, depending on, your preference. You could also pop this off pop this off, pop on some like gladiator sandals or like some black platform sandals, and it's a really, really good like spring summer date night outfit. So this is just super, super cute. You got a flirty little skirt, you can show some knee, and yeah, it's just fun and girly, and I don't know, I just really like it. It's cute. So if you guys are wondering, this tube top is just from Forever 21. It's just a little tube spaghetti top. I wear it all the time. Are my tags sticking out? My tags are sticking out. No way they're gonna go on a second date with me. My tags are sticking out like a weirdo. Anyways, this is outfit number 2, and I think she is cute. All right, next outfit, and maybe my favorite one. This one is just so simple, so chic, but it has a little bit of surprise. So this is just a kind of midi length, kind of distressed sweater dress. It's distressed at the bottom. Around the neckline it has kind of like a scoop kind of off the shoulder kind of hemline. I'm wearing this bag. This would be really fun with like a pop of color bag, like my yellow purse, but I think just like the all black with the red lip is so chic and sexy and mysterious. And then I've just paired it with some knee-high boots and some thigh-high stockings. Now you could just wear full-on tights, but I think these are so much fun, especially when you're like out on a date and you sit down and you just show a little leg, just like a little like hidden surprise for your partner or for your date, depending on, you know, how you want the night to go. I think it is so much fun. I feel so sexy in this outfit. Like, I just feel great in this outfit. So this one is definitely probably my favorite. I would probably wear some garters, but I don't have garters right now, so I mean, whatever. Or I think Lovers sells the thigh highs with a little like the sticky part to keep it up. But I just think it's so much fun and cute and sexy. And you could also wear some like fishnets with these, and if you wanted to kind of sex it up, I think it's so cute and just like chic, really easy, really comfortable, and just like toss on a sweater dress and some boots and some thigh highs if you're nasty, and go out the door. So this is the third outfit, and boy, she is feeling cute. All right, next outfit. All right, now everybody, now this is the outfit that you show up when you want them to know no scrubs allowed. So this outfit is more casual. I would say this is like a more kind of going out, like maybe date at like a bar, or like, you know, kind of just a little bit more kind of clubby outfit. This outfit is 100% inspired by my friend Carly, because she always wears these cute like lingerie bodysuits with like cargo pants or with like mom jeans, and it's such a freaking cute outfit. I cannot wear lingerie bodysuits. My boobs just explode out of them in a way that's not appropriate for society. So I have picked out this bodysuit, which, fun fact, is actually the bodysuit that I wore on mine and Mason's first official kind of like date night, and I wore this on our date night out when we went for our 6 months. So this bodysuit is like actually my date night bodysuit, because Mason's a booby man, so we gotta show off the ladies a little bit, and I've kind of like hiked it up so that we get a little bit of skin over here too. I am wearing my Rothco cargo pants, and then I'm just wearing some combat boots and a pant chain. I have pulled my hair back a little bit. I just thought the hair in the front was just like a little too much, and I just like wanted a like Cadet Kelly like bitch in charge moment. And then we have our bag and we're good to go. Again, this outfit is like, you're not taking any shit, no scrubs, like you are here to pay the bills and leave, honey. Like, oh, I love this outfit. It is so fun, so cool. Again, a little bit more casual, but I love this outfit. I think it is so much fun. Yes. Good. It's a lot. All right, y'all. So this is the 5th and final outfit, and this one is so much fun. So we have a vinyl mini skirt. Now I will say, you can see the like imprint of the fishnet through the vinyl, and you can definitely see underwear lines. So if you clock underwear lines, don't call me out, okay? I still had my thong on when I put on my fishnets, and I already had my fishnets on, so I wasn't about to take off my underwear. Anyways, I digress. You can see all the lines through this skirt, and I have kind of hiked up the back a little bit. I just think it's really cute with like the open back. It's just like a little bit of like a little, hey, you know? So I have like hiked up the back of the fishnets, We got a good booty thing going on with this skirt. I've again paired it with my knee-high boots. And this is just kind of an oversized chunky knit sweater. I got this from TJ Maxx. Any color would be really, really cute with this outfit too, but I love the pop of the white, especially with a red lip. We have my little bag that I love so much. It's so cute. So this one is a little bit girlier. I feel like it's like girly and then like edgy, and the combination I am so here for. This is just so much fun, and we have like the cold shoulder sleeve, which is one of my favorite details on this sweater. And I've just kind of tucked in the front a little bit. This would also be really, really cute with like distressed high-waisted jeans and these boots, with like a pant chain, anything like that. But this outfit is again one of the like kind of girlier ones for me. This is a lot girlier, but I think it's so much fun and cute and like still sexy, but without like, it's sexy without being like overly sexy in my opinion. So this is the last look. Alright y'all, so those were my 5 going out outfits. I had so much fun filming this. I'm genuinely so excited about every single one of these outfits that I have shown y'all. I'm so stoked to be doing lookbooks now, and I've kind of rearranged my setup so that it looks nicer for lookbooks. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know that you want to see more lookbooks because I'm having so much fun doing them. And like I said, the tutorial for this look, if it is up already, it will be up in the icons up here or down in the description box. I love you guys so, so, so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!